Welcome everyone. Today I'll discuss vector product and its application. Today I'll discuss only the simple problems, that is problem of board. So vector product. Let OA equals to A vector, OB equals to B vector, and angle between them is theta. Then vector product of A and B is denoted by A dot B and defined as A vector product A cross B equals to magnitude of A magnitude of B sine theta into n cap. Now theta is angle between them. So what is n cap? Look, this is important. N cap, where n cap is a unit vector, perpendicular to both A and B. Perpendicular to both A and B. So perpendicular to both A and B. So look from figure, it will be n cap. So n cap will be perpendicular to both A and B. So n cap, position of n cap will be here. But look, we are discussing it in plane. So it is not possible to show n cap in this direction. So that is why we are taking n cap in this direction. So n cap is perpendicular to both A and B. Now look, n cap, it has two directions. If we take A to B in clockwise direction, in clockwise, then it will be, so look, outward direction. And it is anti-clockwise, this is inwards. So n cap has two directions. So it acts as inward screw or outward screw, according as you take it from A to B or B to A. So you remember this one. What is n cap? N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. So this is our definition. Now similar like of dot product, using notes we will solve problem. So note 1. So right hand side of 1 is a, look, this is scalar, this is scalar, this is scalar, this is vector, is a vector quantity. So dot cross product, it is also called, vector product, it is also called cross product due to this symbol. Now note 2. So B cross A, if we take B to A, then it is A vector, this is B vector, sine theta. So B to A is clockwise, so direction will be different. If it is A to B is n cap, then it is minus n cap. So we can write minus A B sine theta. So minus A cross B. So dot product is commutative, but here cross product is not commutative. We get a 1 minus additional sign. It is called anti-commutative. Next, note 3. If theta equals to 0, then sine theta equals to 0. So A cross B equals to 0. So if two vectors are parallel, then their cross product is 0. If two vectors are parallel, then cross product is 0. Cross product is 0. So using these notes we will solve problem. Now listen. Mod A cross B. So to avoid n cap, so mod of A is again A, mod of B, this is mod sin theta. So n cap is 1. So what is sin theta? Plus minus, this is note 4, plus minus A cross B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. This gives sine of the angle between two vectors. So we are taking mod to avoid this n cap. Next, n cap is a unit vector. Note 5. Let I, j, k are unit vector along coordinate axis. Are unit vector along coordinate axis. So what is I cross I? So we have already A cross A is 0 because angle between them theta, sin theta 0. So this equals to J cross J and this equals to K cross A. In case of dot product, they are 1. In case of cross product, if they are same, then this equals to 0. Now I dot j equals to magnitude of I, magnitude of j, sine of 90, angle between I and j, and vector perpendicular to both I and j, that is z, this is k. So I cross j equals to k vector equals to, we have already proved it is anti-commutative. I cross j. Similarly, j cross k, magnitude of j, magnitude of k, sine 90 into I gap minus k cross j, and k cross I equals to j equals to minus I cross k. So how to recall this result? So look, I, j, k are taken in cyclic order. If we take I cross j, it is in cyclic order. We get remaining vector k. I cross j equals to k. Look, j cross I, cyclic order is not maintained. J cross I is minus k. Now look, j cross k is I, j cross k is I, k cross I is j. So, in case of cross product, so 3 are 0. If we take equal vector, then take cross product, they are 0. But if we take I cross j, they are non-zero. Now, look, A1, let A1 equals to, right, A1i, A2j, A3k. B equals to B1i, B2j, B3k. So if we take A cross B, then we are getting 9 product. Out of 9, 3 are 0 and 6 are non-zero. So 6 are non-zero. Now here cross product is not commutative. So we are not getting the term as positive. Some are positive, 3 are positive and 3 are negative. So using distributive law, you have to find A cross B. But if you take, so you can write the above result. IJK A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So if we expand it, I into A2, B3 minus B2, A3 minus J into A1, B3. You know how to expand? B1, A3 plus K into A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Now listen. So there is also another note. So look here, you get a note, note 6. Note 6. Note 6. What is the note 6? Note 6 is cross product is distributive. Cross product is distributive. Distributive over addition. Over addition. That is A cross B plus C over addition. A cross B, A cross C. So this is note 6. Now this one is note 7. Note 7. So A cross B, if you use this result and use the result of I cross J, J cross I, we get A cross B equals to in this form. 3 are positive, 3 are negative. Now it is difficult to remember. So that is why, look, this can be expressed in determinant form. This result expressed in determinant form as this. So we recall this one. A cross B equals to determinant this. So this is our working tool of this chapter. So listen again. A cross B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta into n cap. So this is vector quantity. A cross B equals to minus B cross A, not commutative. If A and B are parallel, A cross B equals to 0. Then sine theta equals to, we are getting sine theta mod A cross B by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Then cross product is distributive. Then if A equals to B and A equals to this one and B equals to this, then A cross B equals to this one. So this is our working tool. Now note 7. Then note 8. Note 8. Now A cross B equals to this. So n cap is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Both A and B. So from 1, n cap and A cross B have same direction because this is equations. So this implies A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. This is most important result. So one problem you get from this result. A cross B is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So this note. So we solve some problem using this result. Now application. Find sine of the angle between these two vectors. So A vector equals to 2i minus j plus 3k. B vector equals to I plus 3j plus 2k. Now we know sine theta equals to plus minus mod A cross B. by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So we have to find A cross B first. So A cross B, I, J, K, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. So I into minus 2, minus 9, minus 2, minus 9, J into minus J into 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, plus K into 6 plus 1. So minus 11I minus J plus 7K. So what is A cross B? 11 square plus 1 square plus 7 square. So 121 plus 50. 171. Root 171. Now what is mod A? Mod A equals to root over 4 plus 1 plus 9. So root over 14. 4 plus 1 plus this. Mod B, 1 plus 9 plus 4. 1 plus 9 plus 4. So 10 root over 14. 9, 14. So sine theta. So what is sine theta? Sine theta equals to plus minus. So this is root 14, this one is root 14, and this one is root over 171. So plus minus root over 171 by 1 by 14. So you must see whether it is less than 1 or not. 14 square 196. This is less than. So it is positive. So sine of the angle is root over 171 by 14. So this is mechanical problem. Only you have to calculate A cross B, mod A, mod B. Now problem number 2. This is oral question for both. Find a vector perpendicular to both this and this. A vector, you know, cross product, it may be inward, it may be outward. So let A equals to I plus J plus K. B equals to I plus J. So unit vector perpendicular to both A and B equals to n cap. N cap equals to A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. So this is n cap. Plus minus n cap you can take also. One for inward direction, another for outwards. So your main aim is to find A cross B. So A cross B, I, J, K, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0. So I into 0 minus 1, J into 0 minus 1, K into 0. So minus I plus J. So A cross B equals to root 2. A cross B, mod A cross B equals to root 2. So find unit vector perpendicular to both this and this. So what is n cap? Plus minus. N cap equals to, you write this one, plus minus A cross B minus I plus J by root over 2. So this is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Now sometimes it is given number, suppose B, find unit vector, find a vector of magnitude 2 perpendicular to both the vectors. Now n cap, its magnitude is 1. Now you have to find a vector of magnitude 2 perpendicular to both A and B. So this is unit vector. So what is required vector? So required vector is, what is magnitude? 2 into n cap. So 2 into plus minus I plus j by root 2. So this is required vector. So this one also most important problem, find a vector of magnitude 2. So you find unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Then multiply it by its magnitude. Now geometrical significance of vector product. Now we know A cross B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B sin theta into n cap. So to avoid n cap, we can write A cross B, mod A cross B equals to sin theta. So this is 1. Now draw a parallelogram. OACB. So this is B vector, this is A vector. So join. This is BM. BM is perpendicular. Now the parallelogram OACB is completed. The parallelogram OACB is completed. Now from figure, BM is drawn perpendicular. From figure, sin theta equals to BM, magnitude of BM, magnitude of OB. So what is magnitude of BM? So magnitude of OB is B cos theta. So this is B sin theta, B sin theta. So from 1 and 2, magnitude of A cross B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of BM. So now magnitude of A into BM. Look this step. We write 2 into half into magnitude of A, magnitude of BM. Now look, 2. Half into magnitude of A, half into base of that angle into altitude. That is 2 into area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Now this is our parallelogram. So you know diagonal bisect parallelogram into two congruent angles. So this is area of parallelogram OACB. So A cross B. What is significance of A cross B? So you remember this one. Mod A cross B represents area of parallelogram OACB whose adjacent sides are A vector and B vector. So this is our result. Area of, this is significance, area of parallelogram OACB, A cross B mod. So area of triangle. Now number 2, area of triangle is equal to half of mod A cross B. Area of triangle OAB. So half magnitude of cross product of two adjacent sides. So this is geometrical significance. So now application. Now application of the result 1 and 2. These are most important for board problems. So problem number 3. Area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are this. So A cross B we have to calculate. So A cross B, I, J, K, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is A cross B determinant. So I into 2 plus 6, J into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6, J into minus J into 1 minus 9, 1 minus 9 plus K into minus 2 minus 6. So 8I plus 8J minus 8K. This is K, 1 minus 8K. Now what is mod A cross B? Now mod A cross B equals to 8 square plus 8 square plus 8 square minus 8 square. So this is plus 8. 8 square common. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 8 root 3. So what is area? Area of parallelogram equals to mod A cross B equals to 8 root 3 square unit. 8 root 3 square unit. You get direct applications. These are mechanical problem if it is given in terms of IJK. No need of thinking. Then problem number 2. So find the area of that angle ABC. ABC. So A, B, C. This is 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 2, 3, 1. So cross product of two adjacent sides, then magnitude multiplied by half. So we have to calculate AB vector. So B minus A. PV of B minus PV of 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1. This is J, 3 minus 1, J plus 2K. And what is AC? C minus A. So I plus 2J. I plus 2J. Now we have to calculate AB cross AC. AB cross AC. So I, J, K. 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0. So now expand it. I into 0 minus 4 minus J into 0 minus 2 plus K into 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. So minus 4I plus 2J minus K. So magnitude of AB cross AC equals to 16 plus 4 plus 1. So root over 21. So what is area? Area equals to half of cross product of two adjacent sides, then magnitude. Half of root over 21 square unit. So here adjacent sides are not given. So find adjacent sides. So this is area. We may calculate also BA, BC, any two vector. Then take cross product, take magnitude, multiply it by half. Now area of parallelogram in terms of diagonals. Area of parallelogram when diagonals are given. So OACB is a parallelogram. Diagonals A and B are given. So find area. So let OA equals to P vector and OB equals to Q vector. Then from definition of equal vector, CB equals to P, AB equals to Q. This is P and OB is Q. So AB is Q. CB, AB is Q. This is again P. Now from figure, so what is A vector? OA plus AB equals to P plus Q. And also look, P plus OA plus AC. So what is displacement? Is OC. So P plus B equals to Q. This is P plus B equals to Q. So what is B? B is Q minus P. So this is A. A equals to P plus Q. And B equals to, this is P plus B. P plus B equals to Q. So B equals to Q minus P. So if you add this is 1, this is 2. So A plus B equals to A plus B equals to 2Q. So Q equals to half of A plus B. And if you subtract 1 and 2, subtract 1 and 2. So P equals to half of A minus B. Now listen, we know area of parallelogram when two adjacent sides are given. So area of parallelogram OA BC equals to half of P cross Q. Not half, mod of P cross Q. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 A plus B, Q equals to A plus B cross, this is A minus B cross A plus B. Now this one cross product is distributive. A plus B minus B cross A plus B. So cross product is distributive. Again distributive law. A cross B, B cross B cross B. Now A cross A, this one is 0, this one is 0. And using anti-commutative law, this is 2 into A cross B minus B cross A. So this is A cross B. So finally A cross B. So half into cross product of diagonals, then magnitude. So this is our working tool. This is our working tool. So when diagonals are given, area is half into mod cross product of diagonals. So you remember only the result. Only the result. So one application. Find area of parallelogram whose diagonals are D1 I plus 2j plus 3k, D2 3i minus 2j plus k. So application. So area of parallelogram, we know this is half of D1 cross D2. So we calculate D1 cross D2. So I, j, k. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So I into 2 plus 6. J into 1 minus 9. K into minus 2 minus 6. So 8i plus 8i minus 8j minus 8. Sorry, I into 2 plus 6. The minus j, minus j. 1 minus 9 plus k. So minus 2 minus 6. So this is 8j. So D1 cross D2 magnitude 8 square, 8 square, 8 square. So 8 into root 3. So what is area? Area of parallelogram. So you write the formula first. D1 cross D2. So 4 root 3 square unit. So today, through this class, we have discussed basic theories of vector product of two vectors and some simple application. I will take one more class for board exam for the chapter cross product. Thank you for today.